Sakshi Agarwal, Assistant Professor in Biani Girls College, welcomes you all on behalf of GuruKPO.com. Today, I'll deliver lecture on process models, which is a part of software engineering. Software engineering is a branch of engineering which deals with the development process of software. What is process models? Process models is the process of how the various stages of software development is divided and executed in course of time. The process models are of various types, from which today I'll be explaining the waterfall model. Waterfall model is also known as linear sequential model because the stages in this model are linear in nature. That is, they runs in a particular sequence starting from analysis stage towards the support stage. The various stages include the verification and validation method after every stage. That means the input of the stage becomes the output for the next stage. The various stages are analysis, design, coding, testing and support. In analysis stage, the various requirements are analyzed whether they can be fulfilled or not, or is it feasible to build a project with these kinds of requirements. Next comes the design phase, which includes the various designs such as physical and logical design for a particular project. In physical design, we design the outer structure, the user interface part of the particular software, and in the logical design, we build the internal structures or the data structures which are involved to build a particular project. Next comes the coding. After the designing stage, we code for the functionalities and the technicalities of the software project. In the coding part, we take a particular type of language such as C, C++, Java, etc. depending on our project. After that comes a testing stage. After coding, it is necessary to test a particular project to find out if there are any sort of bugs or errors in the project. If the actual project is not under the consideration of the actual inputs which have been provided and the outputs which we receive are not in consent with the inputs which are provided, then we can say that the project is not built properly, or if there are any sort of errors in the project, then we say that we have finded that much of errors during testing. After that comes the support stage. In support stage, there is basically a maintenance of the software and this stage is performed after delivering of a software project to the customer. It is basically after sales service, that is after giving a software to the particular customer, the various needs of customer is being fulfilled, and we say that it is very necessary to maintain a project after it has been delivered for its very fine working. Thank you, thank you, thank you. For more details, log on to www.gurukpo.com.